Hello, this is 31 MCQ of paper number 3. Uh, if cos theta is equal to b upon under root a square plus b square and 0 less than theta less than 90, it means theta is between 0 to 90. Then find the sine theta. Now, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that we know. I told you to memorize all three main formula. Let me repeat that and keep the notebook with you in which you have written the formula. I told you in the first video to write down all the formulas by stopping the video. So first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then 1 plus cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta. So keep this formula with you. So from the first formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I made this 1 minus cos square theta. First formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And I took this cos square theta this side. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin squared is equal to 1 minus, I put the value of cos square theta. Now I will square this. So b square upon a square plus a square plus b square, right? अगर ये रूट साइन हट जाता है, रूट साइन निकाल देता हूँ, तो सिर्फ ये स्क्वायर स्क्वायर करना है तो सिर्फ रूट साइन निकल जाएगा, बाकी ऐसे के ऐसे ही रहेगा। नाउ मैंने एलसीएम ले लिया, एलसीएम आएगा ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। सो वन को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर आएगा, ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर। ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर आएगा 1 से। सो नाउ इट विल बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। सो प्लस बी स्क्वायर minus b square cancel. So now it's a square upon a square plus b square, and there is nothing like this in the option. So I have to simplify it until I get the one of the option as an answer. So I have to simplify further. So sin theta is equal to under root. Now under root a square and a square plus b square, I don't find it in option as well. So what I will do, मैंने इधर ए स्क्वायर का रूट ए ले लिया और इसका रूट में ले लिया स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर को, बिकॉज सी इफ इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस 1/√2, तो ये जो रूट साइन है दैट इज फॉर बोथ, आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, राइट? एंड 1 का रूट 1, सो आई कैन राइट 1/√2। सेम वे ए स्क्वायर का रूट ए निकाल दिया और ये इसको साइन दे दिया, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू मैच। इसमें भी अगर इफ आई वॉन्ट तो मैं ये a plus b लिख सकता हूँ, a upon a plus b, but I will not do that because that will not match with any option. So ये b के साथ match हो रहा है, so b is my correct answer. Let's go next. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to p. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to p. A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q. Then find p square plus q square. Now this is by adding square of both the sides. Now how I came to know that I have to add both the sides, because this is plus sign. So right side plus will give me p square plus q square, right? So by adding square of both the side, how I came to know square ही करना है, because I need answer something like this, solution for this. So I have to keep in mind my target. So my target is p square plus q square. So now I am doing square both the sides. So a cos theta plus b sin theta square, a sin theta minus b cos theta, and here p square plus q square. Now I will expand this one through a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square cos square theta 2 ab cos theta sin theta. Now ये दोनों का, ये तीनों दिन का मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 2 into a cos theta into b sin theta into b sin theta. तो मैंने a b आगे लिख दिया है, cos theta sin theta तो मैंने लिखा ही है. So it's a b cos theta sin theta. Now b square sin square theta. Now a square sin square theta 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now b square cos square theta. Now I will write p square plus q square here. Now a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, because this whole ab cos theta into sin theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta cos theta cancel, right? This is cos sin, this is sin cos, but multiply में 2 into 3 6 होता है और 3 into 6 भी होता है, so these both are same. So I just cancel this both. So these both are cancelled, this one and this one with their sign respectively. So now a cos square theta, a square sin square theta, yeah, a square sin square theta. Now b square sin square theta b cos square theta p square plus q square. Now I will take a square common from these two. A square is common in these two, so a square common, so it will be a square common into bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta, b square common in these two, so again like this, p square plus q square. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so a 1 into bracket b square 1. So now a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square, and I think there is an option a square plus b square. So my correct answer is C, a square plus b square. Okay. At some instance, sorry, it should be distance. At some distance, the ratio of the height of a tower and the length of shadow यानी परछाई, shadow is 1 gem root 3, then at that instance the angle of elevation, यानी मुझे क्या find out करना है, I need this answer. So I will think about the trigonometric formula in which opposite side आती हो, because if you take this as theta, so this is opposite side and this is adjacent side, so I will think about the opposite and adjacent, so that's tan theta AB upon BC. Now 1 up jam root 3, that's given in question. Now if I check the trigonometric ratio table, तो 1 upon root 3 कौन से एंगल पे आता है, तो that comes at 30. So this angle would be 30 and that's option A. Let's go next MCQ. A cable is tied at the top. The cable is tied at the top of two poles. Now ये मैं एक केबल टाई कर रहा हूँ और इट इज स्ट्रेट सो इन द टॉप ये एक टॉप है, ये भी टॉप है, टॉप को कनेक्ट करने का है पोल्स के, with the height 18 meters and 12 meters. So ये जो bigger one है that I will consider at 18 meter because this is a bigger one and this is 12 because it is smaller one. So this is 18, this whole is 18, this is 18 and this is 12, this is 12 because इसमें से बड़ा जो है वो ज़्यादा होगा, so I came to know this is 12. So now I mentioned the measurement. Okay. If if the cable makes an angle of measure 30 with the horizontal ray yani straight ray. So yes, I draw it straight ray and it forms the 30 angle. So here it would be 30 angle. So it is 30 with the horizontal ray. The length of the cable is blank meter. So what is my target? Keep the target in your mind. What's my target? That's AE is my target. Now let me explain before I start doing calculation so that you will understand what we are supposed to do. Now ये एंगल 30 है, तो somehow अगर मुझे ये पता होगा, अभी ये पता हो जाए, ये जो है, लेट मी नेम इट ए बी पता हो जाए, तो मुझे हाइपोटेन्यूज पता हो सकता है, लेकिन इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, बट वन थिंग दैट आई नो कि जितना ईडी है उतना ही बीसी है, तो दैट्स 12, दैट्स 12. सो ये पूरा 18 है, उसमें से बीसी 12 है, तो दिस वुड बी 6. एंड नाउ आई कैन थिंक अबाउट द ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूला, जिसमें अगर ये थीटा लो तो ये अपोजिट साइड होगी रेड वन एंड दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूज. अपोजिट हाइपोटेन्यूज वाला फॉर्मूला सोचो, दैट्स साइन. ओके, सो नाउ आई कैन डेफिनेटली फाइंड आउट द ए बी. नाउ let me show the method. That's 12 meters, so AB is equal to what? AC minus BC, that's 6. I explained ये कैसे आया, right? And ACB is 30. So now sin 30, वाई साइन 30, मुझे ऐसा फॉर्मूला जिसमें अपोजिट एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज आता हो. सो दिस इज साइन 30, वैल्यू टेबल से आई, ए बी 6. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई इट, राइट? ओके, सो sorry, this is AE, so this is AE, so this is AE, so AE is equal to 6 into 2, so that's 12, so 12 meter. So my target is 12 meter. Let's go next MCQ. Okay. From the top of a h meter high building, from the top of a h meter high building. So this is h meter high building, h meter high building. The measure of the angle of depression of an article of the ground is theta. So let's take it theta. Now you might think observer is here and this is angle of depression. Then why I'm writing theta here? Can I write here? No, actually angle of elevation and angle of depression to mention that where is the observer. वो observer नीचे से ऊपर ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है या ऊपर से नीचे कर रहा है. बट जो मुझे थीटा जो एंगल लिखना है वो कहाँ लिखना है, तो जहाँ ऑब्जर्वर है उससे स्ट्रेट एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन निकालो, राइट? सो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन would be like this, and then angle of depression. So this is theta. And according to geometry this forms z, ये z बनता है. So this is alternate angle. So अगर ये theta है तो ये भी theta होगा. So ये both are theta. So I can write theta here as well. Okay, then the distance between article and the base of the building is blank meter. See, distance between the article and the base of the building, right? Article on the ground. So this is article C and base of the ground is B. So ये दोनों का distance between article and base of the ground. So base of the ground this one. So my target is BC, right? Okay. So if I take theta here, theta is here. So think about the formula in which opposite side आती हो ये theta लो तो this one is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So opposite adjacent वाला formula सोचो. So that's AB upon BC. Tan theta is equal to H upon BC. Now BC is equal to H upon tan theta. Now can I write like this because ये option में match नहीं हो रहा है. That is H tan theta option मैंने H upon tan theta and this is H tan theta. So this is not my answer. So ऐसा मैं लिख सकता हूँ H one H 1 into tan theta will be like this. Now 1 upon tan किसका उल्टा है? That's cot. So this is H cot theta and that's in option C. So correct answer is C H cot theta. Okay, now this is about P, center P, radius 73, and this is about 55 from the center. So this is 73 radius, right? And chord AB lies at the distance 55 from the center. See, this perpendicular distance between this chord and center is 55. Then find the chord. It's very easy. You can apply Pythagorean theorem and you can find BC, or then multiply by 2. Whatever answer you get, that's you are supposed to multiply by 2, and it's very easy. How I form the Pythagorean formula जहाँ पर right angle बनता है उसकी एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल टू के एक बाजू. सो सी ओ स्क्वायर प्लस सी बी स्क्वायर. सो सी ओ स्क्वायर प्लस सी बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ओ बी स्क्वायर, लाइक दैट. एंड माय फाइनल आंसर इज 96. जो आया मैंने उसका डबल कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट डज इट से? पी सॉरी सेंटर ओ रेडियस 15. सो मैंने एक सर्कल बनाया इन विथ सेंटर ओ रेडियस 15. सो दिस इज रेडियस एंड दैट्स 15. उसके एक्सटीरियर में एक पॉइंट पी है. पॉइंट पी लाइज इन द एक्सटीरियर. सो आई एम putting this P point here and this is P. So P point lies exterior. The, touches the circle at T. Now I'm drawing tangent from P that touches the circle in point T. So it touches in point T. Then PT is equal to 8. So I mentioned 8. This is 15 because radius. So I have to find OP. I have to find OP. And this forms right angle here. There is a theorem. If radius touches the tangent at point of touch, if radius touches the tangent at point of touch, then it forms right angle triangle. So Pythagorean formula will be PT square. यहाँ पे right angle बनता है उसके आजू बाजू equal to के एक side. So PT square plus TO square is equal to OP square. PT square plus TO square is equal to OP square. So this is my Pythagorean theorem. So this is 15 square, 225, 8 square, that's 289, and root of 289 is 17. So OP is 17. So my correct answer is D. That's 17. Okay, now what does it say? OA and OB are radii of a center O radius 10. So there is a circle in which center O radius 10 and perpendicular to each other. So it forms right angle triangle. The area of the minor sector. Now area of minor sector I can definitely find out by the pi r square theta upon 360. I have theta, I have radius. So pi is equal to 314 upon 100. That's given in the bracket. So 314 upon 100 and radius square. So 2 times 90 upon 360. Now this is what I did. The 94s are 360. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. So remaining is 314 upon 4. And if I divide it, that gives me 78.5. So correct answer is C, 78.5. Now radius of a circle is 7. Radius of a circle is 7 and the length of its minor arc. And the length of its minor arc is 11. So this red line is 11. That's minor arc. And radius is 7. Then the length of major arc. Now length of major arc. So it is very easy to find out the major arc. Let me draw the radius. Actually, I don't need it, but let me explain everything in the another smart notebook. What is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle, if I start from this point and I go across and come back here, I go across and come here. So this is what is circumference. So what I will do, I will find the circumference with the formula 2 pi r, and then I will subtract this red line from the circumference. So remaining is black line. So my answer is obtained. So it's very easy. Let me show it to you by finding circumference. That 2 pi r, then what a value of pi I have, that's 22 upon 7, and radius is 7. So 22 upon 7 and radius is 7. 7 7 cancels, that's 44. Now I will subtract this length of this red line, that's 11, from the 44. So I will get आंसर 33. So 33 is my answer. I hope you have understood. ये पूरा ढूंढ लो, उसमें से ये रेड माइनस कर दो तो ब्लैक लाइन मिल जाएगी. That's our major arc. Okay. Now the ratio of the areas of two circles is 1/4. Then the ratio of their circumference. So ratio of their circumference is so. What I will do, I should actually write the ratio of the area. So area formula is pi r square. So r1 r2, because there are two radiuses. Now मैंने पाई पाई कैंसिल कर दिया because they are same, and r1 r2 will be different because ratio अलग से है, तो दोनों ट्रायंगल का रेडियस अलग अलग होगा. नाउ यहाँ से स्क्वायर हटाना है तो आई मस्ट टेक रूट. So that's r1 upon r2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So my answer is B, 1 upon 2. So we have completed here MCQ from 31 to 40. In next video we will see the MCQ from 41 to 50. Thanks for watching.